Engine misfires can cause your car to run rough, lose power, and use more fuel. Knowing how to detect and fix misfires helps keep your engine running smoothly and prevents costly damage. If the engine light is on, your car's computer found a problem. It might be small, like a loose gas cap, or big, like an engine misfire. If the light is flashing, stop driving and get it checked right away. Engine misfires make your car use more fuel than usual. This happens because the engine is not running smoothly and works harder. Fixing misfires helps your car save gas and run better. When your engine misfires, some cylinders do not burn fuel properly. This leads to a rough idle and the engine vibrates when you are stopped. Misfires also make your car feel weak when you try to go faster. If you notice these problems, your engine might be misfiring and need fixing. When your engine misfires, your car might hesitate or jerk when you try to speed up. This happens because the engine is not getting power smoothly. If your car feels like it is stumbling, it could be a sign of a misfire. Misfires can happen for different reasons, and the steps below will help you find and fix the problem. Ignition coils send power to the spark plugs to start the engine. Remove the coil and inspect it. If an ignition coil is cracked or not working properly, it cannot send enough power to the spark plug. If it looks damaged, replace it. Spark plugs create the spark that ignites fuel in the engine. If a spark plug is worn out, dirty, or damaged, it may not spark properly. This can cause the engine to misfire, run rough, or lose power. Replace worn or damaged spark plugs with new ones. Fuel injectors spray fuel into the engine, so it can mix with air and burn properly. If they are dirty or clogged, the engine can misfire or run rough. Check the fuel injectors. Cleaning or replacing them can help the engine run smoothly again. The mass airflow sensor tells the car how much air is coming into the engine, so it can add the right amount of fuel. If the MAF sensor is dirty or faulty, it can cause the engine to misfire or run poorly. If the MAF sensor is dirty, carefully cleaning it with a special cleaner can often fix the problem. However, if cleaning does not improve performance or the sensor is damaged, you will need to replace it. Vacuum leaks make the engine run unevenly and can cause misfires. To check for vacuum leaks, inspect hoses and connections carefully for cracks, holes, or loose fittings. Fixing vacuum leaks helps the engine run smoothly again. By spotting the signs of a misfire early and fixing the cause, you can improve your car's performance. If you are unsure, it is always best to get a professional to check your engine.